Good day, it's you again, yeah? I've just completed my alarm project, which the alarm can communicate through the cell phone and give me an SMS stating that there is an armed burglar in the flat. Okay, I'm going to show a demonstration of it. Okay, I'm switching the alarm on. Okay, the alarm is on. Just want to check if everything is working. Okay, please open the door. Okay, that will send signals through to the phone. That's via 2 circuits. Okay, it's a normal A-stable circuit which will pulse the phone, and the phone will transmit a SMS to my phone, which is transmitting, and I receive the phone. I receive the SMS. Okay, thank you. Bye.